Hi, it's Jandy Autry. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. It's comfort in a bowl, chicken pot pie. Here's what you'll need. Chicken, baked or grilled, then diced. You'll also need chicken broth and bouillon cubes and veggies, peas, potatoes, carrots, and parsley, and an onion that you chop and saute in butter. Then some flour, salt, pepper, and cream. Finally, pie crust, ready-made or homemade. In a pot, add the chicken broth and bouillons, then bring to a boil. In a large pot, melt butter, then saute the onion until tender. Now add some flour and stir to thicken. Then add the chicken broth, the salt, pepper, and some cream, and give it a stir to thicken. Have all your veggies chopped and ready to go, and then add the chicken, peas, carrots, and potatoes. Stir to combine. Add some parsley and set aside. For the topping, if you're using store-bought pie crust, place your serving bowl on the crust and cut it to fit the top. Any leftover dough, just roll it out and make another. 2 crusts should give you 4 pie toppers. Pour the chicken and veggie mixture into an oven-safe serving bowl and top with a crust. Brush with an egg wash and bake for 30 minutes. Chicken pot pie. Dive right into the comfort food of comfort foods. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.